Welcome, everybody, to Veeam on Tour. Please help me welcome Ronald Ooms.
Data is the lifeblood of the business and is under constant threat. Without data, the world will stop. Without data, businesses will stop. And it's not only important, but it's also growing really, really fast. 90% of the data has been created in the last 2 years. And because it's growing so fast, and it is so important, it is really hard to keep it confidential, authentical, and available. And that is what we'll be talking about today.